off of this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look at that. These are moving fast this way. Look at that. I've never seen anything like that, Mike.
Right.
That's like craziness.
That's actually forming a funnel cloud, I think, right in front of us. Now, look how those are going that way over there. And these are coming this way. And right there is a funnel cloud.
Holy smokes. I've never seen anything like this in my life.
And see how
Oh my God.
see how
I
it's
see it.
how it's
I
pulled.
see it, Mike.
That is right above us, a funnel cloud.
Holy smokes. Look at it spinning. Holy smokes.
There is a funnel tornado right above us. Let's go in.